Hello guys, welcome to TechTips tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add a shortcut for app in Control Center on iOS 18. First is go to the shortcuts and then click the plus button up here. And then we're going to search for actions, search for open app and click on this one. Now after that, choose the app that you want to open on our shortcut. So for example, I'm going to use the Canva. And then here you can rename your shortcut. Now since I'm using Canva, I'm going to name it the app itself. You can also change its icon. You can choose different color. Now click on add to home screen. And if you want to change also the icon, you can choose picture. And then that's it. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.